students, welcome to Smart in Maths. The LCM is another number that's useful in solving many math problems.
For example, while performing any arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction with fractions, in this video, I will explain a very quick and easy way to find the LCM for 3 or more numbers in just 5 seconds. So let's begin. Let's say we need to find LCM of 8, 4, 24, 48. Step 1. Find the highest number of all the given numbers. Here you can see out of 8, 4, 24 and 48, 48 is the highest number. Now step 2. Check if other numbers divide 48. Here if you see 8 divides 48, 4 divides 48 and even 24 divides 48. So all these numbers divide the highest number 48. So that's it. The highest number, that is 48, is said to be the LCM of all the given numbers. It's pretty easy, right? Let me take one more example. 3, 6, 9, 27. Step 1. Find the highest number. If you see here, the highest number is 27. Step 2. Check if other numbers divide 27. But here 6 does not divide 27. So we need to find the multiples of 27. Now we will take multiples of 27. 27 times 2 gives us 54. Now check if all the numbers divide 54. 3 divides 54, 9 divides 54 and even 6 divides 54. Since all the numbers divide 54, therefore 54 is the LCM of all the given numbers. Let's find the LCM of 9, 13, 18. So here 18 is the highest number. 9 divides 18 but 13 does not divide 18. And also if you notice here 13 is a prime number. When you have a prime number and it does not divide the highest number, then LCM becomes very simple. Just multiply this prime number to the highest number. So in this case, multiply 13 by 18. Hence LCM of 9, 13, 18 is 234.